Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making super easy mini plant-based frittatas. First, you're going to need some just egg and your choice of vegan cheese. Today I'm using the Violife Mexican style shreds. Then I have some chopped red onion, some chopped spinach and baby kale, and then I'm going to add in some of these diced tomatoes with green chilies. Next, we're going to grease our muffin tin and then shake up our just egg really well. We're going to fill in each well of your muffin tin about 3/4 of the way full. I started off halfway and then I went back to add more. Then I'm adding in this Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like for this. Now you can prep this in a separate bowl, but I just find it easier to evenly distribute my ingredients this way. Then I'm going to give each well a little stir just to incorporate the seasonings. Next, we're going to add in our chopped veggies. You can add whatever veggies you have on hand, and if you'd like, you can even add in some plant-based sausage. And finally, we're adding in our cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have on hand. This is great with smoked Gouda and even mozzarella. Now we are ready to bake. I've preheated the oven on 350 and I'm going to bake for 20 minutes. And this is what they look like right out of the oven. And we're just going to set them to the side and let them cool for a few moments. This is what they look like once they've been cooled. Packed with so much flavor. These are really great for your weekly meal preps. They will last all week in the fridge, and they also freeze well. During the week, I will just serve them with English muffins or bagels and some plant-based sausage. And if I'm on the go, I can just create a breakfast sandwich. These are super easy and super delicious. Please let me know in the comments if you've made these before or if you plan to make them in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more vegan content like this, and I will see you in the next one.